Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3D animation videos with the AI text to video generator. So as you can see right here, we are here in hiluai.com, and all you need to do is just log into your account. You can just sign in with Google right there, and then once you're logged in, you can just create a video here, and then from there, as you can see, I actually made a lot of videos. So I'm just going to click on one right here, and I actually made this image from ChatGPT. So you just upload your image here. So for example, this one, this is my history. You can just delete that. So you can upload your image here, and then for example, I'm going to use this one, and then you can enter in prompts. So for example, boy walking, like that, or whatever you'd like, and you can just edit that or generate the image from ChatGPT or from their site themselves. So you can just generate it from here. You don't need ChatGPT, but if you want a better one, just use ChatGPT. And right here, you can also, this is the best app for from speech to text, or text to speech, or whatever. So you can use this for stories and a lot more. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.